Hello friends, this is Kiara and welcome to today's video. So, I haven't vlogged in years. Please do bear with me if I don't really or will not really speak on public later. So, today, that's why I am vlogging this, is because I will be going to Manila later on. So my flight is at 10 a.m. and it is currently 7:30 in the morning. My dad is going to take me to the airport, so I'm just having myself prepped first. Short, call this fit check, and maybe, I don't know, with the pants I'll probably change this one later on. So yeah, I hope you will be entertained or will enjoy my vlog for my trip to Manila. So friends, let us create new and amazing memories together. Ciao for now. So I've been trying to do a little fit check. I changed my denim pants, then I'm being socially awkward inside the bathroom. There, aura yarn. Then we're going to our boarding gate. And my boarding gate is at gate 11. So we'll be walking through there now. So I'll be staying in Manila for just a few days. So I brought in with me one backpack and one sling bag. Oh, san ka siya? No, maara pa si ate. Going to the plane for boarding. From boarding until half of the flight, I was reading this book entitled The Silent Patient. This is a psychological thriller novel which was recommended to me by a very good friend of mine.
At flying time is approximately an hour with a cruising altitude of 30 miles.
Alright, safe and sound. Grabe turbulence kanina, guys. I was honestly glad that we arrived safely in Manila, since it was really my first time to experience that strong turbulence. So survived the turbulence. I actually came from the CR to vomit. So finally here waiting for my cousin to pick me up. It's 2 p.m. and I still haven't had lunch, so we stopped over in McDonald's to eat. And here's my insan, who fetched me from the airport and showed me around the city. Our first stop is in the shrine of St. Jude Thaddeus for me to light some candles and offer thanksgiving that I passed the November 2023 pharmacist licensure examination. All the hard work finally paid off. We also passed by the University of Santo Tomas. I really wanted to study here, especially for med school. I took a lot of inspiration from UST med students who are TikTok influencers, especially on how they shared their med school journey. My insan then took me to his so-called Tambayanan and level up KTV Billiards located along Quezon Avenue. I don't play billiards often, but I really do have fun learning it, especially when I get a point though. Competitive yarn. Hello, my insan guys. Here's a little panning of the cozy dining area overlooking the streets and buildings. I love the twinkling lights here. And we're off to UP Town Center, where my insan will just drop me off and I will be meeting my best friend there, Noriel, since I will be staying with her throughout my short vacation.
Fire went out, lights went down. When you feel lost in your
So
shadow.
this, my friends, is my bestie. Her name's Noriel and she's working here in Manila. We haven't seen each other for months, so we really made use of the time to catch up with each other. After dinner, we went straight home. It was already a bit late when we arrived, so we decided to call it a day, rest up to prepare for the next one. Good morning! So today, we're at the pool with my best friend. This is Naria! Morning dip. Wow! Swimmer yarn! Look at here, anak!
Know you're scared, you wanna hide away sometimes. I know you heard from everyone telling you lies. You got me, you always got me.
Hi, Bess. Working girly. Currently in Because Coffee. Because my bestie here is working.
Fire went out, lights went down. When you
Hello! Currently in Bonifacio High Street? BGC. Yes. We're basically strolling around here because we got nowhere else to go. We're waiting for our reservations. BGI Fridays! Okay, perfect. Bye. While waiting for our dinner reservation, we decided to try out this mini photo booth. Yay! On to our next adventure! Naman ko anong tanan.
Free cake, Kiara, 34 seconds.
Go. Hi!
Cutie.
Tutu.
Cute.
Okay. We had our late dinner here at Pound Flattery in BGC. We ordered this chicken skillet and it really is so good. Thank you! Thank you po! Hello everyone! So time check is already around what time?
11:37.
11:37 and we're still walking here at BGC with my friend. And we happened to pass by the Mind Museum. We'll definitely visit here some other time. Time check, it's 12:17 and we're still here at BGC. Hi, right here at Because Coffee. Standby.
Thank you.
Waiting for our grab. This is how BGC looks like this midnight. Very peaceful that you can still enjoy the beauty of the city lights. And we're going home. After today, I really began to appreciate the time spent away from my hometown and how important it is to give ourselves a breather when life gets tough. But we must never forget to regain our focus to make life even better. morning, day 2 here in Manila, and actually my last day also. Good morning! So we're going to Yuchenko Museum. Basically, we are going to commute going there. Bye! It's my first time riding a tricycle here and realized how different it is from what we have back home. Nevertheless, it's nice to experience something new.
Fire went out, lights went down. When you feel lost in your shadow.
Hello everyone, we're in Makati. We'll be visiting a museum here called Yuchenko Museum. So yes, I can't wait to see what's in store for us. Right after our short visit to the museum, we had a late lunch at KFC. By this time, Noel and I were really parched and hungry. I also had to rush a bit since I have a flight to catch back to Cebu at 4:30 p.m. I also did a last-minute shopping for my outfit and the upcoming new pharmacist oath taking. So I'm on my way to the airport. I wasn't able to film the time I bid goodbye to Noriel and Paul, yet I am very grateful to them for showing me around the city for a while. So finally, we're here at the lounge. We are boarding at 4:15 in the afternoon. Going back to Cebu already. So yeah, look with me guys. I'm so hungry and parched. Alright guys, now we're back to Cebu. Thank you for being with me in today's vlog. Bye bye. The whole Manila trip, no matter how short it was, meant so much to me. I personally needed it to take a break and do something that's out of my comfort zone. There really is more to life than how you pictured it to be. Only when you give yourself a chance to view it at a wider perspective. Live, laugh, and love. For now and always, this is Kiara.